Many people underestimate the importance of water, believing they can drink it in any quantity and at any time without consequences. However, this isn't true. There's a correct way to consume water to prevent diseases. Despite seeming like a simple action, water is crucial for the proper functioning of all organs in the body. It helps reduce swelling and eliminates toxins. Moreover, water is essential for various bodily functions, such as digestion and skin health, influencing both weight gain and loss. Our body needs water to absorb the nutrients it provides. Therefore, it's vital to understand how and when to drink water, along with knowing its benefits and potential issues. Without this understanding, even with a healthy diet, the body can't fully reap the benefits of food. This can lead to future health problems such as constipation, gas, and liver dysfunction. Several health issues like weakness, kidney stones, skin allergies, itching, acne, premature graying of hair, excessive skin oiliness, joint pains, fat accumulation in undesired areas, and poor diet may be linked to how we consume water. If you enjoy videos with natural health tips, comment below. I want more videos like this. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and does not substitute medical advice. If you have any health concerns, seek medical attention immediately. If you're new here and want more tips to improve your health, subscribe to our channel Monk's Wisdom to catch all the informative videos we're preparing for you. Drinking water incorrectly can result in various ailments such as headaches, dizziness, difficulties in gaining or losing weight, hair loss, and insomnia. In today's video, we'll address essential water-related issues. We'll understand water's role in our body, the best times to drink it, and the ideal amount we should consume. We'll learn how to drink water correctly and manage dehydration in our bodies. Additionally, we'll discuss the most suitable container for storing water and how water can impact our weight, both gain and loss. Let's start with the first question. What is water's function in our body? Between 60% and 70% of the human body consists of water, essential for the functioning of all internal organs, including the digestive system, kidneys, liver, lungs, and brain. Water's primary function is to eliminate toxins and maintain healthy cells. Daily, we lose about 2 liters of water, which need to be replenished. This leads us to ponder, what's the ideal amount of water we should consume daily? And how can we identify signs of dehydration? The human body emits various signs of dehydration. Digestion may be impaired, the mouth becomes dry, and facial and body skin tends to dry out. The skin may lose elasticity and appear heavier. The eyes may show signs of tiredness and acquire a pale or yellowish hue. These symptoms alert us to the need to increase water intake. If dehydration persists for an extended period, more severe health issues may arise. Therefore, it's essential to consume the appropriate amount of water daily to maintain health. The question is, what's the ideal amount of water we should drink daily, and what's the most suitable temperature, cold or room temperature? Although water contains no calories, it's crucial for maintaining hydration in our bodies, aiding in the elimination of impurities and preserving health. There's no universal rule on the exact amount of water each individual should consume, as it varies depending on weight and level of physical activity. However, the general recommendation is to drink between 10 to 12 glasses of water per day. Those consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, milk, and juices may need less water, as these foods already provide a good amount of fluids. In summer, or for those engaging in intense exercise or physical labor, increasing water intake is important to compensate for fluid loss. Another relevant point is knowing if excessive water consumption can harm the body. The answer is affirmative. Drinking more water than the body needs can overload the kidneys and lead to a drop in blood sodium levels, which is dangerous. However, most people don't ingest water beyond what's necessary, and problems typically arise when daily intake exceeds 4 to 5 liters. When it comes to the proper way to consume water, many believe any method is valid, but that's incorrect. How we drink water can affect our body in various ways. Old advice suggests we shouldn't drink water while standing, as it can cause joint discomfort. In Ayurvedic tradition, it's believed that drinking liquids while standing can unbalance bodily fluids and result in joint pains. Excessive fluid retention can contribute to joint pain issues, especially as we age. Therefore, it's advisable to drink water while seated and in a relaxed manner. When drinking water, it's advisable to hold it in the mouth for a few seconds before swallowing. This practice allows saliva, which is alkaline, to thoroughly mix with water. When this combination reaches the stomach, it helps neutralize stomach acidity, preventing issues like gas and improving the digestive process. On the other hand, drinking water too quickly prevents proper mixing with saliva, and the kidneys may not filter it efficiently. Therefore, it's preferable to consume water slowly and comfortably, preferably in 4 sips. Moreover, it's not advisable to drink more than 1 glass of water at once, as this can overload the kidneys, leading to water elimination without effective use by the body through urine. Regarding the ideal water temperature, whether cold or room temperature, it's important to consider how our body reacts to what we consume. When we ingest something cold, the body needs to expend energy to warm it to body temperature. The same principle applies to water. If we drink very cold water, the body first needs to warm it before it can be efficiently used. This process can require considerable energy. Conversely, water at room temperature or slightly warm is more easily absorbed by the body without adversely affecting food digestion. Cold water, on the other hand, can solidify food in the stomach, slowing down the digestive process and potentially causing constipation. Thus, opting for room temperature or even slightly warm water can be beneficial, as it helps strengthen digestion and keep the stomach clean. As for the right time to drink water, it's crucial to heed thirst whenever it arises. Additionally, there's a particularly important time: immediately upon waking in the morning. During the night, our body works to digest food and accumulates toxins in the stomach and intestines. Drinking 2 to 3 glasses of water on an empty stomach in the morning can help eliminate these impurities through feces and urine. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of morning saliva, considered as nectar. This saliva is alkaline, and when mixed with water and consumed, it can neutralize stomach acidity, alleviating issues like gas, acidity, and burning sensation. Speaking of the ideal container for storing water, it's recommended to choose containers made of silver, copper, or glass. Although it's possible to use plastic containers for this purpose, it's not advisable to do so for long periods, especially for storing drinking water. This is because plastic can absorb small particles that are harmful to health when ingested. Following Ayurvedic principles, it's preferable to store water in silver or copper containers, as these metals can impart a positive charge to water that strengthens immunity, aids digestion, and even provides protection against certain types of cancer. Additionally, using clay pots to store water is highly effective. These containers allow air to enter, keeping water fresh and cool for longer. Water stored in clay pots can help balance the body's pH, improve skin issues, and increase overall vitality. While many foods tend to increase body acidity, water stored in clay pots can contribute to regulating pH, reducing issues like stomach acidity and gas, and being free of chemicals, which benefits metabolism. Copper is renowned for its antioxidant properties. Drinking water stored in copper containers can provide various health benefits, such as helping maintain youthful skin and reducing cancer risk. Especially for people with high blood pressure or obesity, water stored in copper containers can be particularly advantageous, as copper can assist in metabolizing excess body fat. By adopting these practices when consuming water, you're likely to experience significant health improvements. Many health problems can be reduced or even eliminated with proper hydration and adequate digestion, essential elements for both weight control and overall health. I hope that by following these guidelines on water consumption in the coming weeks, you'll notice a positive difference in your well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave your like and share this video with at least 3 friends. Until next time.